Licious is an online meat and seafood delivery startup company. It was founded by two gentlemen coming from the vegetarian family. Meat startup founded by someone from vegetarian family. Interesting story, isn't it? Licious was founded in July 2015 by two gentlemen, Abhay Hanjura and Vivek Gupta. Abhay is a Kashmiri Pandit and he was heading the business intelligence department in an insurance broking firm before quitting his job to start Licious. Abhay claims in an interview with the Times Group that he was offered the position of Chief Executive Officer, CEO, at the firm he was working for, but he declined because he had already made up his mind to start something of his own. Let me repeat. Abhay declined the position of CEO to start his own company. This is the level of determination and commitment you need to have should you wish to start a disruptive brand in a relatively unorganized sector.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
On the other hand, Vivek comes from Chandigarh and he is a chartered accountant by profession. He was last working as a non-executive director at a Singapore-based company. His LinkedIn profile says that he got into CA in his first attempt. That's impressive, isn't it? In an interview with Forbes magazine, Abhay and Vivek recall how difficult it was to onboard their family to start a meat business. Abhay says that his father threatened to disown him publicly if he would start a meat business. In 2018, Abhay and his co-founder Vivek were invited by Harvard Business School to interact with their students. You know, it's a common practice for Harvard Business School to invite exceptional business person and startup founders to interact with their students. And of course, it's a matter of pride in itself. Abhay says his father, of course, was proud of him, but he did not disclose his profession to anybody when he was invited for a lecture by Harvard. The story for Vivek is also not different. He comes from a hardcore vegetarian family. In an interview, Vivek says that his father's problem was not with the meat business. Rather, he was more concerned as to how to tell and what to tell his family and friends. You know, after all, it was not a matter of pride for his son to start a meat business. But the two gentlemen were ready to fight against any odd and to live their dream of being entrepreneur. India being a vegetarian country from cultural perspective. Remember, I said cultural perspective. The practical story is completely different. India is the fifth largest meat consuming country in the world. And the meat industry in India is approximately $300 billion. Not only that, approximately 70% of Indian population over the age of 15 and above eat meat. Well, that's a different story altogether. I was talking from the cultural perspective. You know, if a person turns vegetarian in India, it's a matter of pride. But if a vegan person decides to eat meat, he has to hide and eat. Abhay explains black comedy on many occasions. According to him, there are 4 things which is sold in black polythene in India: liquor, condom, sanitary napkins, and meat. This is the reflection of socio-cultural heritage in India. Though they come from a vegetarian family, Abhay and Vivek are a big fan of meat. In fact, it's their love for meat which inspired them to create a brand like Licious. Licious has recently been in news for raising 192 million US dollar in its latest round of fundraising. The company is reportedly valued at 650 million US dollar. Licious got the investors from the likes of United States of America, Japan, Korea, Singapore, and of course India. But do you know, just few years back, the co-founders were struggling to pay the salaries to their employees. Vivek writes in a LinkedIn post that the first launch of Licious failed on the day one itself and they had to close the operations. Then they relaunched it after 15 days and received 30 orders. Vivek says that most of these orders were free. 2 months later, they received approximately 1300 orders and 90% of their customers came back to buy again. And this is how the first free orders started to pay off. Well played, guys. Repeat customers are key to any sustainable business growth. Today, Licious gets approximately 20,000 orders in a day. From barely 100 orders per day in 2015 to 20,000 orders per day in 2021. Licious has gone a long way in its business. They have a customer base of approximately 1 million unique customers. and their 85% of revenue come from the repeat customers. The average cart size is approximately 700 Indian rupees. Licious has grown exponentially in last few years. It is said to be one of the fastest growing meat and seafood brand in the country. A good amount of credit for its growth and success goes to its excellent supply chain. Licious operates in 16 cities today and delivers the orders within 90 to 120 minutes. Samiullah Khan is the name behind setting up the entire supply chain at Licious.
We have got our specification which is very stringent. If a farmer is actually processing a ton of chicken, he can give us only around 3 to 400 kgs of our spec. Because we enforce quality to the farmers have now come up bars ahead and now they are really happy to work with us.
Licious works on farm to fork model and owns the entire back-end supply chain and cold chain. Starting from the procurement to processing and storage, everything is the responsibility of the company. In order to enhance the profitability, the company has adopted the D2C model. They deal with the farmers directly, taking away the need of middlemen and wholesalers. Other than Licious, meat delivery platforms such as Meatigo, Fresh to Home, Zap Fresh, and BB Daily have also been rapidly expanding their business, especially in the pandemic.